at the premiere of the college tour. I literally just got off the car. It's filled with excitement. It's a red carpet out there, and we had cars donated to escort us here, and we had drivers, and it was just really exciting, and I'm excited to see the show. It's going to be a natural reaction because I have not seen it yet. I can't wait. Okay, now y'all want this one? Yeah, and then I want one without the... Okay, everybody approved? I just finished taking pictures with my family and my friends, and it's getting real. I'm getting nervous, and we're about to line up and go in and watch the show for the first time.
From Beaumont, Texas, a senior in communication with a broadcast emphasis, Alexis Miller.
2 days before I started, I was on a virtual call with the college tour production team and the marketing comm team here at Lamar University. So I got a really warm welcome to the university. My first 6 weeks here was just planning this, basically. 50% of my time was devoted to this, and 50% of my time was devoted to finding out who to call to ask for things, because I did not know that either.
Wasn't that an amazing event just already, just coming in? I was super impressed with that. Great job.
For participating in making this tonight happen, but also the whole event. Renee already mentioned all the names. What I want to say is we have an incredibly talented, creative, and professional staff with, as you can tell tonight, huge amounts of enthusiasm that they brought out tonight. So thanks for all the work that y'all did.
Following the viewing of the production tonight, we are going to have a little interview session. We're going to talk to all these folks and get their perspective on how all of this went, and we're going to talk to them at length. So we're going to talk to each and every one of them. So make sure you hang around for that, and we're going to have a lot of fun with that as well. So
You all are going to be the first to see this before audiences literally worldwide see this. And that's huge. That's super important. So let's give these folks one more round of applause.
are you ready? All right, it's a great joy to introduce for the first time Lamar University's episode of The College Tour. Enjoy.
Welcome everyone to Lamar University, also known as Cardinal Nation. This Division I public university with Carnegie doctoral research status sits on a boomtown of knowledge and serves a diverse group of more than 17,000 students. Uniquely positioned in the energy corridor of Beaumont, Texas, Lamar University excels in educating career-ready graduates who are future engineers, business owners, teachers, performers, researchers, and more. Approaching its centennial celebration, Lamar University has a story you will want to hear. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next half hour, we're going to travel around this unique campus to meet real students going to Lamar University right now. We'll hear stories from aspiring doctors, lawyers, and even a musician. The passion these students have for Lamar University is contagious, and the commitment to student success from faculty and staff is unmatched. Welcome to Lamar University. This is the College Tour. Okay, now we have Alexis, a senior majoring in communication broadcasting. She's going to tell us about the thriving academic programs here at Lamar and how it has transformed her future. Let's hear it, Alexis.
Thank you for that wonderful introduction, Alex. Now let's fly into my college journey. During my senior year of high school, I toured different colleges and universities, but there was only one that felt like home, Lamar University.
All right, y'all, how awesome is Lamar University? I want to thank all these wonderful Southeast Texans for giving their time so that you can learn more about their school. I've really enjoyed my time here on campus and in this little corner of Texas, and we hope you have too. So So that's all from me. Now it's your turn to go research more about Cardinal Nation. These students are incredible. This campus is beautiful. It truly is a remarkable university. Okay, everyone, take care and hope to see you on campus real soon. Cheers, everyone.
Now, I want you guys to do something as you sit down. I want you to take a big, deep breath, and I want you to let it out. And then I want you to take a look around, and I want you to take a mental snapshot of this moment. Because what you guys have just done is incredible. And the work you've put in and everything you've accomplished, you've represented this university so well. And I think I can speak for everyone here when I say we're so proud of you guys. So how about one more round of applause for them?
Folks, we want to thank you so much for being here tonight.